again. This is Wesley Minish with my final Mastery Journal assignment presentation for brand development. This has been a very good class. I've learned a lot, had a lot of fun. It's been stressful at times. I think the vacation right in the middle did more harm than good, but we made it through it. First, I'd like to discuss our first week's presentation. We had to do a personal brand brief of ourselves, and I thought that was interesting to look at ourselves and use ourselves as a brand. So this was my presentation that I did. I talked about my differentiation statement, what made me different, the visions that I have, commitment, coherence, flexibility, authenticity. I kind of took a humorous approach about it. I kind of wanted to make myself look silly to kind of show my humor in the assignment, and I hope that came out good. I hope no one took this one too seriously. In week 2, we started to work on a rebrand presentation. Not only did we delve further into brand development, but we also learned Keynote and PowerPoint, which I had dabbled with a little in the past, but I'm sure glad that we were able to really get into it because I learned a lot of things like transitions and shadows and really how to make a presentation look professional. I think I did a pretty good job on this assignment. Really got into the nuts and bolts of Keynote. I really liked the way you could build graphs and charts and even have a 3D look with shadows and stuff. I think that really adds a lot to the presentation, and I gained a lot of skills in Keynote. My favorite book by far this semester was Designing Brand Identity by Alana Wheeler. I actually bought a hard copy of this book so I can use it in my classes. She talks about brand identity, differentiation, and brand development. I think that's the 3 main topics from the readings that we did this month that I thought really held a lot of weight. She goes into depth into brand identity, how to identify a brand, what makes a brand special, and whether it be logos, letter forms, type, and the whole everything that encompasses a brand. It's not what the company thinks that this brand is, it's what the consumer thinks the brand is. I really like the idea of differentiation. What that is basically what sets you apart from all the other companies. If there's 52 types of beer on a shelf, what sets you apart so that the customer will choose you. And then she delves into the brand, how to develop a brand, with lots of criteria and different ideas. Next was Marty Neumeier's ZAG, and ZAG is simply a term that he uses. He coins the phrase ZAG. When everybody zigs, you zag, and it just means basically differentiation. How do you set yourself apart? How do you go against all the other companies to be profitable? And why is that important? It's important because it sets you apart from everybody else. And it does make a difference because if you're different than everybody else, then everybody's going to want to be a part of you. If not, they at least know you're there. So it's been a very good semester. I've learned a lot, and I can't believe we're already through it. I hope you guys have a good break, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.